Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 34-foot Freedom trailer. It's a 2015 triple axle. This is loaded. Diamond plate ramp. It's got all the tie downs in here. I think it's good for 2 cars. These cool portholes right here. Got lighting and everything inside. It's got this unit here. Pretty cool. Plug it in, looks like a 50 or 30 amp service. Storage, jacks and stuff. Nice shape. This is the largest trailer, 34 feet, you could pull with a regular tongue. Otherwise, it's got to be like a 5th wheel. Kind of like this guy here. This one is a 53, big boy. That's also for sale, and that's a 5th wheel. Yes, there's a 15 Freedom trailers. GVWR is 4531. Not perfect, but definitely get you around. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos, 631-339-0399. Took a ton of pictures today. Check it out, weebyautos.com.